Hi everyone, welcome. In our previous 4 lessons, we've been working with interrogatives in German or question words. So far we've learned wann, when, warum, why, was, what, and welcher, welche, or welches for which. In this lesson we are going to learn how to say who in German. So who in German is wer, wer. Notice the pronunciation of the W, wer, wer. Who in German is wer, and there are 2 other related forms. We have whom, which is wen, and to whom, wem. So we'll look at some examples of those 2 at the end. So let's start with wer. If I want to ask the question, who is that? I would say, wer ist das? Wer ist das? Who are you? Notice we're just using the verb to be here. So you are is Sie sind. So the question is, wer sind Sie? Wer sind Sie? Who are you? Who are you using du? Du is du bist. You are, du bist. So the question would be, wer bist du? Who are you? Wer bist du? Who is he? Wer ist er? Who is she? Wer ist sie? And who are they? Wer sind sie? Notice that she and they are exactly the same. What makes the difference is the form of the verb. Remember, they is plural, so we use the plural form. So sie ist, she is, sie sind, they are. Here are a few more examples. Who is coming? Wer kommt? Who speaks German? Wer spricht Deutsch? Who works here? Wer arbeitet hier? So who is the form that we use for what we call the nominative or the subject. So who is that would be wer ist das? When we say whom do you see in English, the person that you see is the direct object. So when we're dealing with a direct object in German, then you would have to use the form wen, because the subject is you. You see whom, literally. So in German we have to use the word order whom see you, which means whom do you see? Wen siehst du? Now the other form, wem, is what we call the indirect object form. So when you give money to someone, so that to whom in German is the wem. So the question is, wem gibst du das Geld? So to whom do you give the money? Wem gibst du das Geld? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.